In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find invoices by customer name in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of client transactions, QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool to streamline your bookkeeping process. One of its standout features is the ability to quickly locate specific invoices tied to a customer, saving you time and effort. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make this process simple and efficient. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to begin. A panel will open below the search bar displaying a variety of search options. Scroll to the bottom of this panel and select the option labeled Advanced Transaction Search. This will take you to a dedicated search screen with more specific filters to help you narrow down your results. Once you're on the advanced search screen, find the field labeled Transaction Type. This is a key filter that allows you to specify what kind of transactions you're looking for. Click on the drop-down menu for this field and set the transaction type to Invoice. This tells QuickBooks to focus only on invoices and exclude other types of transactions, such as payments or expenses from the results. Next, locate the field labeled Contact, Name, or Customer, depending on your QuickBooks layout. This is where you'll specify the customer whose invoices you want to find. Begin typing the customer's name into this field. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matches based on your input. When you see the correct name appear in the suggestions, click on it to select that customer. Now click the Search button to display a list of all invoices associated with the customer you selected. QuickBooks will generate a detailed list showing key information such as the invoice date, number, amount, and status. This is where you'll get a comprehensive overview of the customer's invoices. Take a moment to review the list. If you need to open a specific invoice for further review or action, simply click on it. This will take you to the full invoice details, where you can make edits, add notes, or take other actions as needed. If you're searching for older invoices and they don't appear in the results, you may need to adjust the date range. Look for the date range filter and expand it to include a broader period of time. This ensures that no invoices are left out of your search. To make locating specific invoices even faster, consider sorting the list by date, amount, or another column that's most relevant to your search. Sorting helps you quickly identify the invoice you're looking for, especially if the customer has many transactions. If you're focusing on open invoices, you can also add the balance due column to your results. This makes it easy to identify invoices that still have an outstanding amount. If no results appear after performing your search, double-check the spelling of the customer's name to ensure it's correct. Even small typos can prevent QuickBooks from finding the right records. Additionally, make sure that the transaction type field is still set to Invoice. Lastly, verify that you're working in the correct company file, especially if you manage multiple businesses within QuickBooks. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to find invoices by customer name in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.